Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Guys, in today's video I'll be making this amazing healthy green breakfast smoothie, and as you can see from the ingredients you can tell that this is wonderful. It is fully packed with nutrients and vitamins that you really need to keep your day going. So without wasting much of our time, I will take you into the video and show you how I will make my smoothie. Voila guys, this is beautiful. My breakfast is ready. As you can see, this is so creamy, it's rich, it's so like filled with nutrients that you really need. Thank you for watching, thank you for staying with me. I appreciate every one of you. And if today is your first time coming across my content, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and family, don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and if you're already the team Kali, you are so loved. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you. Bye.